Hello, this is the Ichi channel. The theme this time is the third update series to Windows 11 on an old PC. The title name is GitHab MediaCreationTool. Before that, there are two things to note. The first is that the Windows user account message that pops up all the time, this display ignores the Atai video. Second, change the partition of the recording media of SSD or HDD from MBR to GPT as much as possible in advance. Previously, the HDD of Atai was damaged during the upgrade, although it is unknown whether the cause is partition. However, it may not be possible to update. I haven't done it, but it's better to back it up. Updates and installations are at your own risk. Well then, he talks about GitHub upgrade tools. GitHub. This is the company that Microsoft acquired in 2018 for $7.5 billion. It's safe because it's operated by GitHub. First, go to GitHub in the summary section. Download the Media Creation Tool program. You can access it by displaying it in Japanese from the summary column. Click the green code to download. A menu will appear and select Download Zip. Then download it to any location and unzip it. After decompressing, there is a MediaCreationTool.batch file in the file, so click it. The screen will be a light blue script screen and a Media Creation Tool version screen. It's a successive version of Windows. Click 11. Of course it's Windows 11. The upper row is an auto upgrade, an update button with this one button. Next is the button to create an ISO that automatically updates the MakeISO. It's an update after creating an ISO file. Next is the button to create a USB memory that will automatically update MakeUSB. Here's a MakeUSB to update multiple PCs. At first I'll choose her auto upgrade from the MCT presets, then the download will start. I don't operate it. It will take some time to finish the download. It depends on the environment. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin. After a while, the password screen will appear. Enter your password and you'll be on the Windows 11 screen. It's a hassle-free update with the touch of a button in the series. Next is the creation and update of the MakeISO. Press MakeISO and an ISO file will be created. The place where the file is saved is the same place as the MediaCreationTool.batch that was decompressed earlier. The file name is 1121h2, and the consumer x64yajp.iso is completed. It took 1 hour and 50 minutes to create it. Right-click on this ISO and then click Mount. Then, a new DVD drive will appear and unzip the ISO. It's a virtual drive. It creates a drive that doesn't really exist. From here, it gets a little harder. Next, name the Windows 11 mount in an easy-to-understand place and make a holder. Copy all the contents of the virtual drive to this holder. Now right-click on the virtual drive and click Eject. Then the virtual drive will disappear. It's the same as decompressing the compressed file and copying it. Next is the update. Click the auto dot command in the Windows 11 mount with the holder you just made. After that, the update will start automatically. However, if the password entry screen appears, the screen will stop, so be careful. It became the screen of Windows 11. Next up is making a MakeUSB and his clean install. Please plug in an empty 8G or higher USB before making it. Press the MakeUSB button and you'll see a USB confirmation screen. If you like, please do the following. Then, a slightly longer download will start. It took about 35 minutes on my Atai PC. Be careful, never unplug the USB from your PC until the download is complete and the blue prompt screen disappears. Absolutely, Atai mistakenly made this mistake twice. Next, it's an installation that boots the USB from the BIOS, so plug the USB you created earlier into the port. This installation is a clean installation, so please move the necessary data such as apps. At first, I will talk about booting the BIOS. BIOS is a program that controls the PC before starting Windows on the PC. The method of booting the BIOS differs depending on the PC, so please read and check the instruction manual of each PC. In the case of Atai, the way to start up the BIOS of a personal computer is to hit the F2 faction key repeatedly as soon as the power is turned on. Then the PC will beep and switch to the BIOS screen. Next, when the PC boots, I'll set it to boot from his Windows 11 installation file on the USB. Select boot or boot from the menu items on the screen, and set the USB as the first boot location. Next, select exit, or exit from the menu item, record it, and then exit. Then the power will be turned off and the USB program will start loading. At first, the heading is Windows, and it's the screen for language and keyboard settings. Press the next button. Click Install Now to start the setup. It's the Windows activation screen. Click here for No Product Key. Next is the screen to select the operating system to install. Choose the same operating and the same operating as you are now. Then click the Next button. Go to the applicable notice and license terms screen and check your consent. Click the Next button. The screen for selecting the installation type is displayed. If you select Custom, the screen will be a screen for selecting the location to install Windows. Please choose the drive you want to install. If you see a message that you cannot install it, please delete it. However, make sure that the drive can be deleted. After selecting the installation location, click the Next button, then, the installation will start. After a while, the countdown counter will appear. Unplug the USB at this time. If you don't pull it out, the installation will start again from the beginning. Windows 11 settings will start. The first is the country, region selection screen. Make sure that Japan is selected. Keyboard, layout input method screen. Yes, the screen with the second keyboard layout. This selects skip. Name screen on the device. Give it a name. Or skip. Device settings screen. Personalize, then click. Microsoft account screen. Sign in. If you don't have an account, create one here. Don't forget your password. It's a screen to create a PIN. Create a PIN with the password when you started Windows. PIN setup screen. Type your password twice. Let's get started screen. Atai selects a new device. Click Next. Device privacy settings screen. Next, click Agree. Experience customization screen. Click Skip. Screen using OneDrive. In the middle of the screen, save the file only for this PC. Click Next. Screens of over 100 high-quality PC games. Click Not Now. After a while, the screen of Windows 11 will be displayed. This method is also an installation, so it takes time and effort. Most of the installation is done from the BIOS. The next method is to update using the USB installation file. You can do a clean install and update. It's quite convenient for general purposes. From Windows 10 Explorer, he selects USB, opens the file inside, and clicks the auto. Command in it. After that, the update will start automatically. However, when the password entry screen appears, the screen will stop. Please enter your password. After that, it will be a screen of Windows 11 and it will be completed. Atai's recommendation is the MediaCreationTool Auto Upgrade, which is about the same as the download Windows 11 ISO file for the GitHub Windows 11 upgrade. The time is almost the same. In this series, it may be better to update using MakeISO. USB can be used with multiple computers, so please choose the method that suits your environment. This is the end of the story. Thank you for your attention. How was everyone? Did you find it helpful? I'm glad if you can use it as a reference. I would like to ask everyone. I am motivated to do my best, so I would be grateful if you could give me a high rating, registration, opinions, and questions. Well then, he is looking forward to your next visit.